Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. Welcome to project number 44. And before we get off into the project, I want to thank Glowforge for the feature that they put me in their October live stream. If you haven't saw it, I will link the video in the description below. And if you want to just check out your boy in that live stream, fast forward it to 37 minutes and you'll see what they did for your boy. And if this is your first time on my channel, I do project videos every week using a Glowforge laser engraver. And if you like those type of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. In this project, we're gonna make some custom acrylic pins just like this that you can put on your jacket or something like that. I'm gonna show you everything I'm gonna use for this project, so let's get off into it. I have these silver pins right here, white acrylic paint, black acrylic paint. I always use this acrylic solvent cement right here, and also this little tube thing. Here are the 4 designs that I'm gonna use to make my custom acrylic pins. As you can see, we got the YouTube play button, we have the subscribe button, we have Trotter Maker. If you want to know how I made this using CorelDRAW, I will link in the description below. And we also have the barcode. This barcode is a part of something that I'm going to tell you about in a future video. But just know and be on the lookout that it got something to do with some merch that I do have coming out. And I've been meaning to share this with you all. I don't know if y'all know about this or not, but when you upload to the Glowforge interface and you want to do a cut and engrave all in one design, make sure that your color code is RGB. And you want to do your cut lines in red RGB. It doesn't matter what shade of red, just red. And you want to make sure that your engraved part is blue RGB. It doesn't matter what shade of blue, just blue. And also, this is the most important thing. You want to make sure that you export it as a PDF file. Okay, now we're on the Glowforge interface, and I'm going to show you what I'm saying when you upload it to the Glowforge interface. You just want to go to Add Artwork, Upload, and you want to go to your PDF file and open. And as you can see, once you got it all uploaded, the design is already ready to cut and engrave without you having to move anything around. And as you can see to the side over here where it says this is the barcode, it says it's already ready to be engraved. You can set it to whatever setting you want, but as you can see, everything is already ready to be engraved, and these two files right here are made ready to be cut. Of course, let's go to the Trotter Maker first. Look at that. It's just fantastic. Look at it. Nice little pen on the back. Looks really, really good. The barcode, this is probably like my favorite one because I know what it's gonna be. Like, it's really, really dope. I'm still gonna work on it some more. Turned out really, really good. The YouTube play button, you never can go wrong with the YouTube play button. You know, it's really, really dope. Check it out. Really, really dope. And subscribe button. You always wanna make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Look at that right there. Pretty cool. E6000 held up really, really good. Really, really dope. And what can I say? Nice little pens, cool little project. Something to, you know, give out to people or either, you know, make some for yourself. Pretty dope. There you have it. Project number 44 complete. Laser cut acrylic pens. If you like this video, go on and hit that thumbs up and I'll see you in the next project.